In this video, I'll show you how to deposit money into your Phantom wallet by sending crypto from an exchange. First, open the exchange app or website you use, like Binance, OKX, or Coinbase, and log in. Go to deposit/withdraw/send and find the option to withdraw crypto. Choose the coin you want to send to Phantom, for example SOL or USDC on Solana. Now open your Phantom wallet. On the main screen, tap the token you want to receive or tap deposit/receive, then tap receive. Copy your wallet address or show the QR code. Make sure you're on the correct network, usually Solana. Go back to your exchange, paste that Phantom address into the withdraw/send field. Pick the same network, enter the amount, and confirm the withdrawal. After the transaction is processed on the blockchain, your crypto will appear in your Phantom wallet balance, ready to use. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.